Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and as you may see, I've done an intro contest, and well, I kind of need more things, so I'm going to be redoing the contest, but the two people were in the meantime, AJ and Yorkley's Tails, they'll be getting a prize, both of them, and yeah, so basically I'm going to be doing an outro contest with my other main outfit, which is this one. I absolutely love this outfit. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, okay. So here are the entries. So guys, honestly my favourite out of all of them is by Yorkley's Tails. Not just because actually my best friend, it's because it's like really good and really quite chill. And I absolutely love the colour yellow, so this is also like, so after this video I'm going to be posting one about the outro contest, which I'll end when I get 5 entries, so make sure to enter. Otherwise you won't get the prize. And the prize is any item you want from my inventory apart from the ones that are main outfit, as well as my den inventory. Do have quite good stuff in there. It's hard to find though since I have so many stuff. So I'm just gonna be showing them all at the bottom. I do have a lot of clover items because obviously I played Lucky Clovers a lot. I mean, like, how else would I have got those 3 black longs, which sadly got hacked. So, okay, well, goodbye!